Aisha has 5 stacks of trading cards. 2 of the stacks have 12 cards each. The other stacks have 25 cards each. How many trading cards does she have in all? So in this particular question, we do not know the altogether, so I'm going to represent that as X. But I do know how many parts I have, and in this case I have 5 stacks, so that's my parts. And in my 5 stacks, 2 of the stacks, notice this is in word form, 2 of the stacks have 12, and the other stacks have 25 each. So I can solve this in several different ways. I see I have 2 groups of 12, so I could multiply 12 times 2 to get my 24, or I could simply add it twice. And then I have 25 3 times, or I could add 25 3 times. And then I need to combine the 2. So 75 plus 24 is going to give us our answer of 99.